So yeah, this is basically the whole gym. They have the second floor, and just it. This is small compared to the yeah, to the other gym that I have been before in Dubai and in here. But it's nice. And at the moment they have this, and I'm going to take one. I don't know if you can hear that sounds. Yeah, those are the noise of the birds. Really noisy, mate. Those maybe are the loricat. I just finished my workout. Yeah, in their gym, and I am going to eat chicken here in the KFC. Yeah, I remember before when I was in the Philippines and I was started working out in one of the gym there. Yeah, I always eat egg because you know in the street there's a lot of street food in the Philippines, like fried egg, boiled egg, quail egg, and different kinds of eggs, and that's basically the protein that I am taking that time. Yeah. It is now 6 o'clock. Coming from the gym, I come straight here and I take money from the ATM machine because today is the, you know, I need to pay for the rent. Yeah, it's a little bit late because yeah, I get out of the house at around 3 o'clock and just now I'm going back. Yeah. Yeah, after working out I went to the gym. No, after the gym I went to KFC. No, what I did first is I went first to Kmart, and then I bought these things. Yeah, this is my towel, gym towel. Yeah, and I bought this from Kmart. This is a bathrobe. And this is $20. Yeah, I don't know if this is a bathrobe or I don't know. We try to fit it quick. And I also bought this from, yeah, from Kmart. This is $20. Basically, no, $10. Gloves for the gym workout. Yeah. And yeah, I also bought this. Yeah, before leaving the gym I bought this creatine. This is Cytec Nutrition 100% creatine monohydrate. I was using this before during my, you know, my first time to work out in professional tower in the Philippines. Yeah, not this brand, another brand. Yeah, and I think it is working because I don't know. And then I eat in KFC. After the workout, I eat in KFC, and this is the Pepsi that I got there. I didn't drink. I will drink it next time here at home because I have water. I prefer water because I can't finish one can of soft drinks. Yeah. The time now is 7 o'clock. During summer, the sunset usually is around 8 o'clock. But look at this time. The time now is 7 o'clock and it's already very dark outside. Less people. Yeah, we tried this one. Wow, amazing. Only for the rich people. I see this for the rich people. Wow. It feels good. Wow, it feels good. It's not cold. Because these days the temperature is ranging from 19, 20 degrees, and for me it's cold, especially in the morning. I think it's good. I don't know if I can use this after shower, but it's going to be wet. Good morning, guys. How are you today? Yeah, I'm good. The time now is 5:06 in the morning, and it's raining outside. Yeah, so I'm going to book. Actually, I'm now booking a taxi. This one. Yeah, there is one taxi company here in Port Stephen. The name is Port Stephen Taxi. Yeah. And the good thing is that this Port Stephen Taxi is open 24 hours, but limited. Yeah, I am now walking. The time now is 5:35. I think I am not going to be late because I am walking fast. Yeah, it's a little bit scary in here because less car and this place is very dark. Yeah, mate. Okay, there's one car that is coming. Yeah, I finally arrived. Next time, if it is raining, I will go through the rain so that I will be more comfortable when I get here. I will just take a shower and then change next time. Hey guys, good afternoon. I just finished my duty and I'm going home now. And look, there is a dolphin there. I don't know if you can see that one. Yeah, and the people are trying to. Yeah, and not just one, maybe two. Yeah, and they are here in the shore. Yeah, a lot of people there. Yeah, the rain has just stopped, and because this morning I was walking, and now I am feeling the pain here. Yeah, my foot is painful. Oh yeah, they are playing there, and because my foot is painful, I am now waiting for the taxi. Yeah, I don't know if it is because of the workout that I did yesterday for the legs, so maybe too much pressure when I push the 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 weights, or maybe this is because this morning when I walk. Hey guys, good morning. It is now 3 minutes before 5 o'clock. Yeah, I will be preparing to go to work in 10 minutes. Yeah, and I just want to show you the update on my coins. Yeah, so basically I have a Ripple. It is now 89.46, Ethereum 85, Qtum 73, Birds 65, Litecoin 37, and Tron 25.92. So I have a total amount of $377.87. Yeah, I mean, like more than $100 lost already. Yeah, and like maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, it was get down to 200 something dollars. Yeah, now it's gaining again. I rarely check this coin spot these days. I don't know. Yeah. And if you remember, the money that I put here is $480. And at the moment, it is now $377. So it's around $100 loss. No problem, right? I am not going to touch this anymore. I'm not going to add. I'm not going to withdraw anything. I'll just keep it until I don't know until when. Yeah, but it's good that it's gaining again. Yeah, going back to work again, and still my foot is still painful. Hey guys, good afternoon. It is now maybe 4:30. Yeah, it's 4:57. Yeah, and as you can see, it's getting dark outside. Yeah, before during the summer, the sunset is around 8 o'clock, but this time very early, 5 o'clock. Yeah, and at the moment I'm here in the KFC. Less people. Yeah, and you know today, yeah, when I check my Facebook, I saw my profile. Yeah, they feature me in one of the online magazine, the Filipino Times. I think this online magazine is based in Dubai. Nice. Thanks. I will show it to you. Where is it? Yeah. Yeah, this one. As you can see, the Filipino Times. Ano nga ba ang ginawa ng isang Pinoy para makapunta ng Australia upang magtrabaho? How this Filipino guy do to get to Australia? That's basically the question there. And then if you click that link, it will go to the website of the Filipino Times, and it will show here from Dubai to Australia, former Pinoy kitchen helper, fast track success. Yeah, and see the description. I like it, mate, but I don't know how to react about this. I'm shy actually. Yeah. Actually, the hygiene officer in Armani Hotel is the one who tagged me in this Facebook. Yeah, it's Ate Jack. Ate Jack is very strict. She is a hygiene officer in Armani Hotel before. I don't know where is she now. I think still in Dubai, but maybe another company. Yeah. She is a very strict hygiene officer, because you know hygiene in the kitchen in Dubai is very strict. Yeah, they check the fingernail. They ask you how many minutes you need to wash your hand, how much temperature is needed for the food, something like that. And yeah, thanks to Ate Jack for tagging me in this. It's good, man. It's already raining, Mike. Yeah, I can feel the sprinkler of water. But I'm going to Salamander Shopping Center. Looks like a very strong rain is coming, mate. Yeah. I don't know, maybe I will stay in the Salamander Shopping Center. Yeah, I don't know. Also, it's very cold, very windy. Yeah. Yeah, look at this. This is some of the, yeah, this is LJ Hawker. These are some of the houses for rent, and some are for sale, of course. And if you can see this one, Nelson Bay, Magnus Street, fully furnished, and it's $270 per week. Yeah, it's 1 bedroom, 1 shower, 1 garage. Yeah, and the next one is 3 bedroom, 1 shower, and no garage, and it's $340 per week. Yeah, you can check the website of LJ Hawker, and you will see the houses there. I don't know if the rain is going to continue or what. When? It's actually raining already. Very small sprinklers of water. I just hope that I just hope that I reach the house dry and safe, of course. This one is going up. Oop, bed. Those beds are for free. For anyone who are interested, they can just take that bed. Yeah. Nice.